For the next 2 days, I will explore a completely new world of bird photography for me. So please, enjoy the sea breeze and join me on my very first bird photography trip to the North Sea. But this was just so incredibly lovely. What a sight. This bonus video is a collection of moments that didn't make it into my main North Sea video. While the first video mainly focused around the coastline around Cuxhaven and Bremerhaven, I also spent a lot of time exploring the dikes and fields around the Weser River. Those moments didn't make it into the final cut of the main video, but I didn't want to leave them out. So in this bonus video, we're taking a look at everything that happened away from the coast. After arriving in northern Germany, I didn't waste any time and went straight to my first stop for this trip. A dike next to the Weser, a river that flows directly into the North Sea.
Ah, beautiful. What are those? There's so many of them. Cute little birds. Some of them were sitting right here, but I couldn't see them until they flew away. They're just some mallets, nothing exciting, but if the photo is nice enough, that shouldn't be a problem. I just heard the pheasant call again, but its call was so loud, so it can't be far. On the other side of the dike, I can hear lots of smaller birds chirping away, so I will head down. Let's see what those tiny birds are. Oh yeah, the goldfinches. Oh, lovely. Amazing. I love goldfinches. They're so pretty. As a kid, I used to see them in our garden all the time. But nowadays, I don't see them very often at all, to be honest.
Suddenly, out of nowhere, I noticed hundreds of geese taking off in the distance.
Oh, what the heck? Oh shoot, are you kidding me? What is that? That's amazing.
It was one of those moments you can't prepare for. The sight, the sheer number of birds, it gave me goosebumps.
I don't even know what these ducks are, or geese, whatever. Geez, it doesn't even stop. Oh, we need to hurry. Wow. Guys, this is cool. Ah, there's so many. Look at that, it looks like, I don't even know what it looks like. I've never seen that before. Amazing. It seems like these hundreds of geese I just photographed were barnacle geese. I've never seen them before, so that makes this extra special for me at least. But unfortunately though, the photos are no good because of the heat haze, because it's so warm today. This once again was just, that was not a photography moment. That was a moment that you just have to feel, I guess. So I finally found the pheasants, and funny enough they were on my side of the dike, and I actually have to stand on the dike and not on the path that's a couple of meters in front of me, because there seems to be a little valley, I guess, and that's where the male pheasant is sitting right now, and if I go down to the path I can't see it anymore, so I have to stand on the dike to see it. So over there on one of the posts you can actually see there's something quite round sitting on it, and I can't really tell, I think it's a kestrel. The sun is coming pretty harshly from that direction, so it is a bit difficult to tell because it is backlit. Oh no, I can actually see the pheasant a little bit better. You know what? Maybe it actually is a buzzard, because as I took a video, I could see that the belly is a little bit stripy, I guess. I thought it's too small to be a buzzard, but I could be wrong, of course. So my best bet, this is driving me nuts, as you can probably tell right now, that I don't know what this bird of prey over there is. It drives me nuts. So my best guess at the moment is a buzzard. Oh, I can barely see if I look into my viewfinder because the sun is so harsh. So it was a buzzard all along. Funny how you desperately try to figure it out when you can't tell what that bird is right away. Would you believe it? I found that pheasant that I heard the entire time. He's sitting right there. Beautiful.
All right, so I'm driving directly through a field right now. There's a field to my right and to my left side. Let's hope I don't see anything, and that's a hare. I don't think I can park here. And my camera is in my trunk. Oh my god, if I step out the car, it's probably gonna run away. Yeah, of course, it ran away. That was to be expected. Okay, I need to put my camera on the passenger seat. But what I actually wanted to say was, hopefully I don't see anything, because this is a really narrow road and it wouldn't be wise to stop here. Back it up, back it up. Oh my god, it's such a lovely photo. This is so much fun. This is the first time that I'm shooting directly out of my car, and it is so nice because it seems like the animals just don't recognize you, but as soon as you step outside of your car, they run away. Yeah, that's nice. I love it. Please give me more. I'm just gonna drive to that dike from yesterday. I just quickly want to check out the water, see if we can find anything interesting. I don't want to stay there too long, just a quick glimpse. The weather today here at this dike is much better than yesterday. Yesterday the sun was really harsh, and to be honest, it was just too hot. Those smaller birds just don't want to sit still. Now they flew all the way back where I actually came from. Well, that's okay. I wanted to head back in that direction either way, because there was also some reed, and maybe I can sit down there somewhere, watch the water, watch the reed. There may be some other smaller birds there. And then I spotted something in the reeds that led to my absolute dream photo of a European goldfinch.
I'm sitting by the water now. I've got these two shell ducks right in front of me. Got the reed to my right. I can hear lots of tiny birds. I think this is a good way to end the day. Surprise! The video is actually not ending here. It's Sunday morning. I just checked out of the hotel and I was thinking, instead of driving home directly, why not check out that other end of the dike we've been to yesterday and the day before? Because, you know, bird photography is some kind of addiction and I just can't seem to get enough. So let's check out this place one more time and then I'm gonna head home. Oh, it's getting really windy. Hard to keep my camera still. There's eine Gebirgsstelze. Unfortunately, I don't have any service right here, so I can't look it up, what they're called in English. But I will let you know as I edit this video. I can see something on that field right there. Let me zoom in. Oh, I think it's a hare. Oh my god, and what is that right next to it? I think that's another Northern Lapwing. But it's so windy, it's really difficult for me to keep my camera still, actually. Yeah, there seem to be a couple of Northern Lapwings in this field right here, which is really nice because yesterday when I saw those Northern Lapwings, the sun was pretty harsh, so the heat haze was no joke. Today they're a lot further away, unfortunately, but I will take a Northern Lapwing any day. It looks funny because the wind is so strong and that Northern Lapwing is standing with its back to the wind, that his little feathers on his hat are actually pushed forward. Looks kind of cute. I actually think I'm gonna hang out here for a couple of minutes because I would like to get some shots of those lapwings flying. That one just took off, of course. Always when I'm not ready. Oh my god, oh my god. They're so quick. So anyways, as I was saying, I would like to get some action shots of the lapwings flying. I just managed to get a couple of shots, I think, but I wasn't really fully prepared. Jeez, they keep on flying together. That is so nice. Oh my god, that's amazing. They've been doing this for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes now? I'm so lucky. Oh my god, yes. This is fantastic. I can't believe it. Absolutely amazing. I have to crouch down. I can't lift my arms up anymore. They're still flying. This is so beautiful. Why do they do that? I'm so curious. This must be a mated pair. I can't believe it. This is making my heart so full. Oh, this is... I don't have any words for this. They've landed now, and I am incredibly happy with this encounter. That was amazing. It's been like, I don't know, 5 minutes, maybe even more. There's one flying right there again. Oh man, I could watch this all day. I keep losing track because this is just too beautiful. This was just so incredibly lovely. What a sight. I could watch those lapwings all day. Believe me, I could easily spend another hour here just watching them, but I still have to drive home today, so enough lapwings for today. Look at all these cows. Come on our way. Looks kind of funny. You reckon we're gonna make new friends today? Good morning. Oh, cow on the loose. All right, this will be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed getting to know the nature of the North Sea with me. I think we were incredibly lucky. We got to see lots of cool birds. We had lots of great opportunities. The heat haze was kind of tricky, but you know, sometimes it's about the moments and not the photos. And I definitely had a blast watching birds I've either never seen before or only seen like a couple of times. So as always, I hope you're having a great day. See you soon. Bye.